Do you get depressed when you see little or no views on your YouTube video, especially after you've spent countless hours filming, editing, and optimizing it? For example, why did this video only get 249 views and 0 subscribers since it was published in August? And this video got 5,500 views and 8 subscribers since it was published in August. Yes! In this video, you'll learn why your YouTube video is not getting views and how to fix it. Here are the 10 reasons your YouTube video is not getting any views. Number 1, topic. If you choose a topic that your audience is not interested in, they're not going to watch your video. Enter your main keyword in the YouTube search bar to get a bunch of suggestions on what people are searching on YouTube. Add an underscore before or after the keyword to expand your search. You can also include letters, so if you include a letter before or after your keyword, it'll expand that keyword phrase. My secret weapon for finding the right keywords is TubeBuddy. I simply enter my main keyword phrase in the Keyword Explorer tool from TubeBuddy to see if I get an excellent or very good keyword score. It'll also show me related keyword phrases that I can use in my videos, as well as showing me the competition that's currently ranking for that particular keyword phrase. I'll place a link to TubeBuddy in the description below this video. Use the promo code HermansBuddy to get 20% off. The YouTube algorithm follows the audience, so YouTube tries to match each viewer to the videos they're most likely to watch and enjoy. Another way to choose a topic that your viewers will enjoy is to look at the top 10 videos in the last 28 or 90 days on your channel. Just click on the Overview tab in YouTube Analytics and look at the top 10 videos in this period. Make a similar video or a series of videos based upon the same topic, but approach it at a different angle. Number 2, title. The purpose of your title and thumbnail is to capture your viewers' attention so they'll watch your video. If nobody clicks on your video after seeing the title and thumbnail, you've wasted all that time creating your video for nothing. You can place your main keyword phrase at the beginning or end of your title as long as you include it. Add something before or after your main keyword phrase in the title to motivate your viewers to click and watch the video. For example, the main keyword phrase for this video is YouTube video not getting views, which I placed at the end, and then added why is at the beginning to motivate my viewers to click on the video. Keep your video title short so it doesn't get cut off when viewed on a mobile phone. Try to weave your title into the first 3 lines of your video description so when viewers are watching a video, they can read a summary below the video. Number 3, thumbnail. Human beings are visual creatures, so the thumbnail is the first thing that captures their eye when they're scrolling through the search engines. The goal for your thumbnail, should you decide to accept it, is to get a click-through rate of 10% or higher. According to YouTube, the average click-through rate for YouTube videos is between 2 and 10%, so always try to get higher than 10%. Here are some tips for creating a clickable thumbnail. Use contrasting colors. Use bold text. Show your face containing an expression related to your content. Create a design that stimulates curiosity so the viewer will be motivated to click and watch your video. Number 4, relevance. Creators often ask, what kind of videos does the algorithm like the most? YouTube says that the algorithm follows the audience and pays particular attention to what they watch, what they don't watch, how much time they spend watching your video, likes and dislikes, and not interested feedback. So instead of worrying about what the algorithm likes, it's better to focus on what your audience likes. Therefore, make sure your topic, title, thumbnail, description, and video content all relate to each other. If you optimize your video correctly, it has a higher probability of being discovered in the search engines. Number 5, engagement. Here's a video performance card that YouTube shows when your video takes off. Wow, this video is taking off. Views are 40% higher than usual as people choose your video more often when we recommend it and they watch longer. YouTube says you can increase the chance of YouTube suggesting your content by increasing your click-through rate and your video watch time. So if your viewers watch your video all the way through, you'll get a high watch time or a high average view duration. Here's a graph from YouTube asking the question, what's a good video retention rate or percentage watched? The top 10% of videos on YouTube get a retention rate between 49% and 82%. So you want to aim for a high video retention rate if you want to get your videos recommended by YouTube. Here are some tips to get a high engagement rate on YouTube. Use a strong hook at the beginning of your video. You could ask a question, make a bold statement, or tease about what's coming up next in the video. Avoid long introductions. Don't place your introduction at the beginning of your video because people want to get into the meat of your content right away. Keep your introduction down to a few seconds and add some value first before introducing yourself. Make sure your video content is relevant to your title and thumbnail. If your content is very different to what was promised in the title and thumbnail, your viewers will leave right away. Reset the attention of your viewers throughout your video by adding B-roll, graphics, transitions, text, etc. End your video with a strong call to action, such as linking to a video or playlist in the end card. Monitor your audience retention graph in YouTube Analytics to see where viewers are dropping off, then try to improve your audience retention in your next video. Develop a series of videos that are organically connected and put them in a playlist. When you link to your playlist in the cards, end screens, or description, then people will binge watch more of your videos. When viewers watch more of your videos in one setting, they'll stay longer on the YouTube platform, and there's a higher probability that your videos will be suggested and promoted by YouTube. If you do this, you might see a video performance card on your channel that says, "Great job, views are up 37%, primarily due to lots of subscriber interest." When someone subscribes to your channel as a result of watching one of your videos, it means they want to return to your channel to watch more of the same content. Under what's going on, it says, "This video seems to be really appealing to your subscribers because more of them chose to watch this video after seeing it in their subscriptions feed than usual. Knowing what your subscribers like to watch can help you build a more committed fan base." When you get subscribers and viewers returning to your channel to watch more of your content, it sends a clear signal to the YouTube algorithm that they should be promoting it to more people. This results in free promotion from YouTube because they'll surface your content to a wider audience. YouTube says that if you keep viewers engaged for longer and encourage them to come back for more, whether it's for a long video or several short ones, the longer you keep people watching, the more content may get surfaced. So if the audience retention for one of your videos is very short, make a shorter video and then link it to another video so you get a longer watch time. A series of short videos that are linked to each other may get a higher watch time than creating one long video. YouTube says keep doing what works. When you create something that's working for your audience, keep at it. We surface more of what your viewers like. Number 7, video quality. If you have poor sound, low definition video, and bad delivery, it'll affect the quality of your video. Make sure you use a high quality microphone, shoot high definition video, and practice smooth delivery of your content. The number one reason for not getting views on your YouTube videos is that your content is not interesting to your viewers. Therefore, make sure you choose a topic that is of interest to your viewers and try to keep them engaged throughout the video. Number 8, editing style. One of the reasons you may not be getting a high audience retention on your videos is the way you edit your videos. Research the editing style of the top competitors in your niche. Instead of copying them, try to use some of the best elements in your own videos. When you're satisfied with the editing style in your own videos because you're getting a high audience retention, stick with that particular style. The more often you upload videos to your channel, the more views you'll receive. So if you're only uploading once a week, try uploading twice a week. Your second video could be a live stream or a shorts video, so there's not much editing to do. Download my free video upload checklist by clicking the link in the description below this video. You'll learn how to optimize your video before it goes live so it can be found in YouTube and Google search. You may not be getting a lot of views on your video because that particular keyword phrase that you targeted is too competitive. If there's many people that are targeting the same keyword phrase that you chose for your video, it'll be hard to get top rankings for that particular keyword phrase. Here's what to do instead. Choose keyword phrases that have a high search volume and low competition so they'll be easier to rank for. If you choose a topic that your audience is interested in, get a high click-through rate because you've created a great thumbnail and title, and increase the watch time from your viewers, you'll increase the probability of YouTube suggesting your content to a wider audience. Let me ask you a question. Do you want to get even more views by your videos appearing in Google and YouTube search? Watch the video on the screen right now on how to add chapters to your YouTube video manually or automatically.